Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have come up with amazing post Bakrid recipe, that is mutton pickle recipe, which is going to be very delicious and you will absolutely love it. This is one of the way to preserve meat when we have in larger quantity, usually after the Bakrid is over. So I have bought a very delicious way of preserving meat by the recipe of mutton pickle, by with which you can store the mutton pickle up to 6 months when refrigerated, and for up to 2 to 3 months when kept outside the fridge. So let's begin the recipe. First of all, I have added in 100 grams of garlic cloves and I have crushed a little bit in mortar and pestle. Now I'm going to heat 1 liter of oil on a big pot, and now I'm going to add in the following ingredients into it. First of all, 1 teaspoon of onion seeds or kalonji, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or rye, and few dried chilies, approximately 10 to 12 dried chilies I'm going to add in into the hot oil that I have heated in a big pot. Allow them to splutter for up to 1 minute. After 1 minute, add in the crushed garlic and allow them to splutter for up to 1 to 2 minutes. So as here you can see, the color of the green chilies have changed. Now I'm going to add in the boiled mutton. So here I have boiled the mutton pieces by adding some ginger and garlic paste and little bit of turmeric powder and salt according to taste, and I have boiled up to 90 to 95% it is cooked. So I'm going to slowly add in the boiled mutton into the hot oil that I have heated up, and I'm going to mix it once I have added half of the mutton so that it does not stick at the bottom. And now I'm going to add in the remaining half of the boiled mutton pieces. Now mix it from the bottom thoroughly and give it a stir properly. And after giving it a proper stir, I'm going to add the following spices into the pickle. So first of all, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, salt according to taste. Do take care while adding salt because we have added salt even while boiling it. Again, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes into it, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder or the zira powder, and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. In case you don't have chaat masala powder, you can even add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder instead of it. And now add in 2 teaspoons of dhania powder or coriander seeds powder, and 2 teaspoons of normal regular red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now continuously mix all the ingredients thoroughly with all the spices and keep it stirring and cook for up to 10 to 15 minutes. Do take care of this because when you leave it without stirring, the mutton sticks at the bottom and it starts burning. So do take care of this point and step, and continuously stir it and cook for up to 10 to 15 minutes on high flame. So here I have been cooking it since last 10 to 15 minutes, and you can see the size of the mutton has been shrunken and it has been fried well. Now after cooking it for another 15 minutes, so continuously after cooking it for up to 30 to 40 minutes on high flame, you can see the result is here. Our fried mutton achar is totally ready. Now off the stove and allow the mixture or the mutton achar to cool down. So here you can see our mutton pickle has been cooled down, and now I'm going to add in 1 cup of lemon juice. Do not add it while the mutton pickle is hot because it turns bitter. Do take care of this step too. Now mix it properly. Here our mutton achar is ready. Lemon juice not only gives the tangy flavor to our achar, but it also preserves the mutton and helps in not getting spoiled. So now the oil quantity is looking less. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat little bit of oil with few cumin seeds and also tempered with few curry leaves, and I'm going to cool this oil and add in into our prepared achar. The more the oil quantity, the more days the mutton achar will be preserved. So do take care of this. So here I have added the tempered oil into our achar, and our most delicious post Bakrid recipe, mutton achar or the mutton pickle recipe, is ready to be served. You can store it in an airtight container easily in refrigerator for up to 6 months. It goes well whenever you want to try it. You can take a little bit of portion out and put the remaining into the refrigerator. How did you find my recipe? Do let me know in the comment section below, and what more recipes you want, also let me know in the comment section below. If you like my recipes, do hit the like button. Also share with your friends and family so that they also preserve the mutton in this way. Till then, we'll meet you in the next recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz.